my name is Veronica. I'm here in Escondido, California. We recently hired Genesis to do all of our windows in our home, and we decided to do the black on black, which was a new product for Genesis. We absolutely love how they look. It's definitely modernized the look of our home, and I can't even tell you how awesome working with everybody from start to finish has been with Genesis. I have never had any contract work done in our home that was so fun actually, and dependable. The communication with them has been spot on from day one. Everything that they said they would do, they delivered on the same days. There was no delays in anything. The communication has, like I said, has been absolutely amazing, and I would absolutely recommend them like 10 out of 10, 11 out of 10 if I could.